Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best SuperFast Digital Tyre Inflator with inbuilt pressure gauge for cars, bikes, cycle, balls, etc. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here you can see the product name. So you can see here it's from the One Lab and it's wired as well as the wireless tyre inflator, and its name is Quick Plate Plus. So it has a inbuilt battery also, so you can see the battery size. It's written 7800 milliamperes. So you can see here. So it's for car, cycle, scooter, ball and balloon also you can plate. So I'll be leaving the product purchase link in the video description too. So you can click there and you can check out this product yourself. So let us find out what's inside this box. So you will get a very nice bag inside it, and inside it you will get tons of accessories. So you can see here it's a 12-volt connector to a rounded pin, as you can see, anyway USB Type-C to Type-A cable also inside it. And at the bottom you will see the tire inflator itself, and inside it you will get some extra pressure gauge. As you can see, some are for balloons, some are for bicycles. So different styles of connectors, as you can see here. So these are the things you will get inside this box. And here itself there is a connector directly. So if your respective tire does not fit, then you can just screw it here and you can adjust the connector here. So let us keep it aside. So on the above you will see here, this is the display. This is the to increase and to decrease, and there is a manual mode also, and this is the power on and off button. And on this side there is nothing, and here you will get a LED lamp also, which is very useful if you are using it in the night time. And on this side there is a cable connector. On this side you will get a 12-volt connector and as well as a Type-C, and at the bottom you will get some rubber paddings here, so that when you are placing it, it does not move while it's being in use. So you can see here it gets warm. So in order to turn on, you need to press and hold here for a few seconds. Now you can release it. Now you can see the PSI, since I have not connected to any bicycles or any cars or scooters right now, so it's showing 0. So kindly check this. If it's showing 1, then you can just use this minus or plus to increase or decrease. So you can see, you can increase or decrease by using this plus and minus button. And if you press this M button, so you will see here, you can clearly see for bicycles, for balls, for cars. So you can see here different modes. So these are the things you will get here. So now let us take it to the outside and let us check it practically how it actually works. Now you can see here, this is the connector. So you need to make it loose. So you need to connect it to your scooter's tire pressure connector. Just push it and just close it. So now just press and hold this power button for a few seconds. Now you can see the display is showing up, so you can see the present tire pressure of my scooter. So now you can select the modes. So here I'm gonna select the scooter or bikes. So I'm gonna set it to 36 as per my scooter tire pressure requirements. So once you have set, now just press once on this power button. So now you can see here it has quickly filled up. So if you see a little decrease, just press this power button once again. So now you can see the exact value is being inserted. So we are finally done. Now in order to turn it off, just press this power button, tap and hold on it so it gets off. Now you can just pull it out, this connector, from your respective tire pressure. So you can see how to pull it out. So in my opinion, it's one of the best SuperFast Digital Tyre Inflator with inbuilt pressure gauge for cars, bikes, cycle, balls, etc. that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.